Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am in a different setup. I am in my kitchen and I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite smoothies that I love to make. So starting off with my almond milk that's in this smoothie. I just got this recently for Christmas and it's amazing. It's a portable blender, but I use it at home because it's not exactly what I thought it was. Like, I thought it was one of those portable blenders that you can get off Instagram, and like you still have to like plug this in and make the smoothie. Like, you can't like go to the gym and make the smoothie like there. I mean, you can if you find like an outlet, but I don't want to do that. That takes too much time. But I'm going to hop into this video, and I already have some ginger here that's already freshly chopped, and I'll show you guys exactly what it is if you can see. So that's what it is. That's the ginger. There's a little skin that's still on there, but that's okay. I'm a little too lazy to just go ahead and just completely take off the skin. So if you're like me, then you're more than welcome to do that. And this recipe has cauliflower in it, you guys. You can't even taste the cauliflower in there. Like, this recipe is amazing. I'm trying not to like love it too much because every week I want to try like a different recipe to try, but this by far is amazing. So I put maybe about a cup of cauliflower in here, and I love chia seeds in my smoothie. You can soak them or you can put them in your smoothies raw. It really just depends on how I feel. I love these. These are so expensive at the store. This is like $9 when I go to the store, and this won't even last 9 months because I use it just like that. I use it in all my smoothies like every day. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. I read online when you have chia seeds, you can soak them, but it's not necessary. You don't have to. But as far as drinking goes, if you have like digestion problems, they say it's best to go ahead and soak them because the chia seeds are tiny and it is a choking hazard. It really just depends on what you like to do, honestly. So if you know that you're okay and you don't have to worry about that, then that does not pertain to you. So this is what it looks like. So it has the chia seeds and the ginger in there. And now I'm going to add about maybe 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, because this is what honestly makes the recipe, you guys. This is absolutely amazing. So I'm only going to use just a little bit. So maybe about, I'm lying, I'm going to use 1/8. I'm going to use 1/8 of a teaspoon of this, because you don't need a lot in here to make your smoothie. Just a little bit, just to give the little cake a little flavor. And you'll definitely taste the ginger in here. Like, if you tasted like ground ginger before, it's definitely different from ginger, that just fresh ginger root that you'd get from the store. Like, regular ginger root is very spicy. So I just recently got this from the store, and it's cocoa powder, and it's organic. I've been trying new things with my smoothies, and I'm gonna try this. It's a recipe online. It's called Chunky Monkey. So you add bananas in here. Yes, I forgot the bananas. Okay, I'm gonna have to add bananas in here. Ooh, I almost dropped that. There would have been cocoa powder everywhere. God, it smells so good. It literally smells like when you were younger and you'd have Swiss Miss. That's what this smells like. It smells heavenly. Oh yeah, this is gonna be an amazing smoothie. I can just already tell. I can just smell and just like, this is gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna grab the bananas really quick. So also, these are very expensive at the store too. So what I've been doing is just getting like 3 or 4 like kind of like stalks of bananas and just freezing them myself, because who has time to buy $3 bananas when you can easily take off the peel and do it yourself? I mean, oh, it's going good for my nerves. All they want to do is just highmark everything, and it is just ridiculous the pay that you have to do for that. It's terrible. So I'm just gonna eat all these bananas because I only have a little bit left over anyways. That's what I'll do. So I'm back, you guys. So I'm going to move everything so you guys can see the finished result. So this is what it looks like. So it has the bananas in there. You can't really see the cocoa powder anymore, but I'm about to turn the blender on and you guys can see how great this recipe is. So what I do is just, I close the top And after I close the top, sometimes you do have to hold it, because I've noticed if I don't, like one day I was making the smoothie and like it almost popped open. Like if I wasn't paying attention, smoothie would have went everywhere on the ceiling, and that is something I do not want to clean if I don't have to. Like I'd have to clean it because I made the mess, but doesn't mean I necessarily want to. So it's going to lock into place. Let me see if I can show you without like dropping like this whole thing. So it's gonna lock into place. You're gonna hear it click like that. And once it clicks, you know it's secure. So I'm gonna hold the top on here and let you guys see it. So you guys can see, you'll see it.